How to download and update the Realtek HD audio driver. What's up everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download and update your Realtek HD audio driver. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your device manager and check what version of the driver you have available. For that, just right click on your Windows icon and simply go to device manager. So once your device manager is open, you are going to go ahead and click on sound, video, and game controllers. And here you are going to find all of these options. So you're just going to go ahead and find your Intel's display audio and then right click on it. Now what you're going to do is go ahead and click on properties, and here on the details you will find all of your driver details. So if you head over to driver, you can see the driver date right here. So it was updated on 2021. So if you want to download the latest version, you just have to open the browser, and here you're just going to search for Realtek, hit enter. Make sure that you open the first link. The only real one is the realtek.com, so make sure you open this. And once you land on the home page, what you're going to do now is go ahead and scroll down until you find the hamburger menu on the left side of the screen. So just tap on it. Then here you are going to go ahead and click on downloads and go to the computer peripheral ICs. Click on this, and once this is loaded, you are just going to go ahead and click on the subcategory, and here you can choose the very first option. Click on software, and once you do that, you'll find the Windows version of this. I recommend you download the latest version of it, which is the top one. So just go ahead and download this, click on it, and then you should be able to download it. And once you download that, you can go ahead and check your device manager again and check its date. So click on properties and go to driver. And if the date has been updated, then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.